We all enjoy a drink or two, and it's very, very easy to slip into having a glass of wine every night to help you relax in the evenings and to just help you get to sleep. It's not ideal for the skin though. These are a couple of my tips for keeping the skin clear with regards to alcohol. Now, having a glass of water before you have that first drink is really important, because sometimes, particularly before dinner, your blood sugar levels could be a little bit low and you could be a little bit thirsty. It could be just your body sending a false signal. If you are having a second glass of wine, have another glass of water. Alcohol is a diuretic, and it's very easy to get dehydrated when you're drinking, which will make your skin puffy, and none of us want to risk a hangover. If your skin is flushing when you drink alcohol, just pace yourself. It could be that your liver is struggling to just catch up, just slow down. If you find yourself really kind of overheating during the night when you drink alcohol, or if you feel queasy, or if you get really bloated the next day, it could be that you need a sort of a little digestive tonic. Milk thistle complex has herbs in it like dandelion and artichoke, and they're really good for helping improve digestive function, and we all want good digestive function for both a good sleep and for a nice, clear, not puffy skin.